so good at
Yeah, we're picking the iPhone 4 next month.
Isn't the 5? Yes.
Yeah, but it's like this.
Yes.
It's like this stuff's on all the time, but I feel like it's still better than the Nokias. Didn't you see my crush? Oh, I don't remember it.
Really? How do you not have there'd be arrow keys.
Like there's arrow keys, but it doesn't.
Sure.
No, it doesn't. I tried every